Hello everyone, welcome back to Pixel Village and I'm Radha Krishnan. Yes, the holiday season is here, but everyone except me in this studio is going out on a holiday. Ali is taking off during this weekend. A couple of guys have plans towards the end of the month. Well, the poor little me, I'm here in the studio. Anyway, if any of you are planning to go on a vacation, and if you happen to be an iPhone user, like 7 Plus, 8 Plus, X, XS, XS Max user, and if you are planning to go on a holiday and you want to upgrade or you want to go out and quickly buy a camera, if you're thinking about something like that, hold on. There is an easy way, or there is rather a clever way to convert your iPhone into a professional looking camera. Rather, a decent, compact aim and shoot camera. You want to know how it is done? Well, very easy. This is my 7 Plus, and this is the product that I'm talking about. It's called the ShutterCase. Very interesting, clever little piece that can convert your iPhone. All those models that I mentioned to you just now can be converted into a good looking, very convenient, easy to carry, aim and shoot camera. Look alike. So that conversion of the phone into camera, very easy. This is my phone. This is the case. Slide it in exactly like how you would slide in or fix a bumper case. Okay, once it is done, you're ready to go. Now, the most interesting aspect of this case is the position of the trigger. According to me, the biggest reason why most people end up with a shaky image is the trigger. Well, they do press. While pressing, you accidentally shake the whole mobile phone, thereby, you end up having a shaky image. I've even seen people triggering the camera like that. Obviously, without a doubt, you're going to have a shaky image. But in this case, it is going to allow you to hold it like a camera and trigger it like a camera. Now, very clever mechanism. A kind of a lever that runs through the body of the case and start triggering the volume down button, which is the trigger for the camera. So that's very interesting. And you also have a thumb rest, so that you don't accidentally touch any other controls in the screen. So you can rest your thumb here. You have a decent hold of the case because there is a small protrusion here which allows you to hold, and there's your camera. Even with a single hand, this is converted into a camera. Well, you can shoot it without ending up with a shaky image. Now, the ShutterCase also comes with lens mounts, which means you can buy a third-party lens and convert the mobile phone camera lens into a wide-angle, tele, fisheye, or a macro. And ShutterCase promotes moment lenses along with their products, but fortunately, these mounts are compatible with Sirui lenses. You've seen them in action in our videos, our earlier videos. So if you already have Sirui lenses, you can use them without the clip-on adapter. The most interesting aspect of this ShutterCase is this little guy here. It's a 3000 mAh rechargeable battery. It's like a power bank along with you. Now, if your phone is charged to the full in the morning, and if you have a fully charged 3000 mAh battery like this, together, you are ready for an entire day on your vacation. You can call, you can take your emails, you can take pictures, videos, preview them, and definitely you'll be left with some more power in the evening. Well, of course, in the night, you can put them into charge again and you're ready to go the next time. Otherwise, it becomes very cumbersome. You have to, if you're on the move, which you will be in a holiday, it becomes a little cumbersome if you have to carry rechargeable batteries or if you have to go looking for those, electrical points to recharge your phone. So, how to attach it? Very simple. Slide this guy out. It slides out. It's a little tight fit. So if you have oil in your hand, ladies, gents, if you're using body lotion, be very careful. It's a little tight fit, so otherwise it starts slipping. Okay, so, and very simple. And then you slide in this guy and it clicks in position. Now the phone is slowly transforming itself into a camera. And if you run out of power, of course, there's a cable inside this. Pull it out, there's an opening. Connect it. It comes with a lightning cable. Connect it, and your phone now gets charged from this battery. It's very easy. Now let's connect a lens onto this. Okay, let me pull out a portrait lens and connect it to your primary camera. It's very important to remember that you must connect the external lens or the third-party lens onto the primary camera. The secondary camera is the depth camera to give you that blurry kind of portrait, shallow depth of field, bokeh images. Now look at this guy. Now for safety, just use the strap and you're ready to go. Now this looks like a camera, right? Keep it in your bag, carry it with you like this. You can also receive a call while you're in shoot. You can comfortably shoot very stable videos because, now you're holding the phone, with a proper grip, like a compact, one of those bridge cameras, and you're ready to take the shot. And there is also a clicking sound, a light one that is. That's it. Let's get out and take a few images and see how useful this is. So, what do you think about this product? Now, without the battery, well, this can be used on a regular basis as a bumper case, and it's pretty strong one, that is, and you can also use this for additional safety in case if you are carrying it along with you. I think this will also make your phone a little kind of theft proof too, because there is this thing going to tether the phone to your body. Now, for the battery and this charging cable, well, there's a small pouch. So this can go into your bag and you are ever ready to, transform your phone to a camera. Unfortunately, the ShutterCase products are not available in India. So what we have done is we have added a purchase link in the description. Use that link to go to ShutterCase website, make your own purchases, and while checking out, use the discount code PIXEL, which will give you a 15% discount for the entire purchases that you have done. Now, of course, there are some year-end offers going on. So according to ShutterCase, the discounts cannot be clubbed. Okay, so take a look at it, suit yourself. If you really like it, well, get one for yourself. Now in this video, we want to give a shout out to one of our favorite YouTuber. I am digitally yours. His name is Deen Dayal and we fondly call him Didi. And Didi is a full-time banker. And in the night, he transforms to a Batman. And that's what he says he transforms into and works and makes his content in the night. And, he's someone who really inspires me to work because, after a grueling day of work, he travels almost an hour back home and then he starts creating his YouTube content. So please follow him. I Am Digitally Yours, an amazing channel where you get a lot of information about the latest gadgets. Happy holidays. Bye for now.